Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of blemish-fighting solutions. Say goodbye to stubborn pimples and welcome the Mighty Patch Original, your ultimate weapon against pesky breakouts. Get ready to uncover the secrets of this remarkable skincare ally. The Mighty Patch Original has taken the skincare world by storm, and for good reason. This innovative product is designed to target and treat individual blemishes, providing a convenient and effective solution. Join us as we explore the incredible benefits it offers for achieving clearer, healthier skin. The Mighty Patch Original is made with hydrocolloid technology, which creates a protective barrier over the blemish. This barrier helps to absorb impurities and excess oil, while also preventing external irritants from further clogging the pore. Its discreet and transparent design allows you to wear it throughout the day or overnight for continuous blemish-busting action. We've all been there, the temptation to pop a pimple that just won't go away. But with the Mighty Patch Original, there's no need to resort to such damaging habits. Simply apply the patch to the affected area and let it do the work. It helps to speed up the healing process, reduces inflammation, and minimizes the risk of scarring. The Mighty Patch Original comes in various sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for different blemish sizes. From small whiteheads to larger, more stubborn pimples, there's a patch to tackle every challenge. Whether you're dealing with occasional breakouts or ongoing acne concerns, this versatile product is a game-changer in your skincare routine. There you have it, skincare enthusiasts. The Mighty Patch Original is a true hero in your quest for clear, healthy skin. Bid farewell to those stubborn blemishes and embrace the confidence that comes with a radiant complexion. Check the links in the description to get your hands on the Mighty Patch Original and say hello to clearer days ahead. Let the Mighty Patch Original be your secret weapon for blemish-free skin.